What's the meaning of buy-in? Buy-in. Buy-in.
Buy in. Buy in.
The term buy-in refers to a situation where one fully supports and invests in an idea, decision, or project. It is often used in business or team settings where individuals are expected to work collaboratively towards a shared goal. When everyone on the team has bought into a particular idea or decision, they are more likely to be committed to its success and will work together to achieve it. This can lead to increased productivity, better communication, and overall success of the project. On the other hand, if there is a lack of buy-in, it can lead to resistance, conflicts, and failure to meet the desired objectives.